In this video, we discuss 20 interview questions in topic of operators in Java. First question is, what are the operators in Java? Solution: Java supports 44 operators. Second number question is, what is instance of operators? Solution: the Java instance of operators is used to test whether the object is an instance of the specified type, class or subclass or interface. Third number question is, what is difference between the double greater than and three sign of greater than operators? Solution: the double greater than operators carries the sign bit when shifting right. The three sign of greater than operators zero files bits that have been shifted out. Fourth number question is, what is the use of dot operators? Solution: the dot operators is used to access method and variable within object and classes. They are used to access instance members of an object and class members of a class. Fifth number question is, what is ternary operator? Give an example. Solution: ternary operator is the replacement of conditional control structure and used to check the condition. Int result 10 greater than 2 question mark 10 colon 2. Sixth number question is, difference between and operator and or operator in Java. Solution: and operator is a bitwise operator and compares each operand bitwise. If both are true, then return true. Or operator is a bitwise operator and compare to each operand bitwise. If any one is true, then return to true. Seventh number question is, difference between double AND operator and double OR operators. Solution: logical AND operators always work on Boolean operands. In case of logical AND, double AND, if both the operands are true, then the condition become true, otherwise it is false. Eighth number question is, how to use bitwise XNOR operator. Solution: XNOR bitwise is a bitwise operator and compares each operand bitwise. If both are different, then it returns true, otherwise false. 9 number question is, what is the role of precedence and associativity in operators? Solution: when multiple operators are involved in a expansion, Java language has predefined rule of priority for the operators. This rule of priority of operators is called operator precedence. If two operators of same precedence priority is present is an expression. Associative present operator indicate the order in which they execute. 10th number question is, difference between A equal to A plus B and A plus B equal to B. Solution: arithmetic operator can't perform implicit casting, whereas the arithmetic assignment operators do and implement cast. 11th number question is, what are the unary operators available in Java? Solution: the following are the unary operators available in Java. First is exponential post increment, experimental post decreasement, experimental pre increment, and experimental post decreasement. Single yes plus exponential and minus exponential and one's complements or logical navigate. 12th number question is difference between logical and bitwise operators. Solution: the logical and non-bitwise operators double and double OR are short circuit operators. In other words, with double AND, if the LHS left hand side is false, the RHS right hand side will never be evaluated. With OR, double OR, if the LHS is true, then the RHS will never be evaluated. And on the other hand, the bitwise operators and OR are non-short circuit will always evaluate both the LHS and RHS. 13 number question is use of unary operators. Solution: this operators is used to navigating the value. 14 number question is use of one's complement. Solution is of this is a unary operator which returns the one's complement representation of the input value, like example with the all bits inverse. 15th number question is difference between greater than and greater than equal to operators. Solution is greater than operators returns true of left hand side is greater than right hand side, where as greater than or equal to returns true of left hand side is greater than equal to right hand side. 16 number question is what is the difference between I post increasing and I pre increasing operators? Solution: in case of I post increment, first assign a value expression and then increments the variable, but in case of pre increment operator, first increments then assign a value or to the expression. 17 number question is what is explicit casting and its drawback? Solution: when you are assigning a large types of value to a variable of a smaller type, then you need to perform explicit type casting. Drawback is possibility of data loss. 18 number question is it possible to cast boolean in Java? Solution: a boolean value cannot be assigned to any other data type in Java. In other words, boolean is incompatible for the convention. 19 number question is drawback of implicit casting. Solution: when you are assign a small type value to a variable of large type, then you need to perform explicit type casting. Drawback is possibility of memory loss. 20 number question is tree structure of all the data types according to type casting. Solution: implicit casting widely convention. First is higher to lower. This line represent to higher to lower. Then byte, character, short, int, long, float, double is going to higher to lower, and double, float in this line is represent to lower to higher. This double, float, long, int, short, character, byte, it is higher to lower to higher. Explicit casting narrating convention. That's it. In this video we complete the 20 questions in operators in Java.